Yo, what's up, good people? Welcome back to another week of free content right here at the Spread the Love store. As you can see, I changed locations today from the front of the store to the back of the store. Also, if you would like to purchase some of this beautiful ICNT apparel, go to www.icntapparel.com. See the quality in this? This is one of our women's. This is one of our new women's hoodies that came in last week, and yeah. But we're gonna continue on with this episode. This week we're gonna go a little off subject. We're not gonna talk about clothes this week. This week I got something special for you guys. This week is something that's big for your business that you must have to continue on, to not give up, to make it to where you need to get in your business. So stay tuned. All right, guys, before we move on, every week I ask you to hit that like button and that subscribe button. That like button helps out and makes sure that YouTube sends my video to other people so other people can see my video and get the content so I can get more views. That subscribe button helps out with the channel algorithm. It's very helpful for my YouTube channel. Seeing as though I just started, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. It helps out a lot. So with that being said, let's talk. Let's get into the juicy news that I have that's not about clothing. That's really about making your mind stronger. That's really about having faith and thinking positive and affirmations. And if you guys don't know what affirmations is, I'll let you know what that is soon. But this week we're going to talk about empowering yourself, making yourself stronger, making your mind stronger. A lot of people know how to work a lot of stuff. Say we have mechanics out here. A lot of people know how to work cars, or a lot of people know how to play video games, or a lot of people know how to do a lot of other stuff, but a lot of people don't know how to work their brain, how to actually manifest things, how to actually control yourself from thinking negative all the time. It's called a superpower. If you don't know, it's actually a superpower, man. We all have superpowers, and that's one of them. So stay tuned. Let's talk about it. All right, guys, let's talk about these superpowers I'm talking about. Let's talk about manifesting things. Let's talk about positive thinking. Let's talk about positive videos to watch every morning. Let's start out with that. Every morning, I think you should get up and watch a positive video. Every morning, I've been watching positive videos for 4 years now straight, and it's done wonders for me. It helps you throughout the day. It helps you control your thinking throughout the day. It helps you stay on top of your thinking throughout the day. It helps you be more aware of your thinking throughout the day. Affirmations, look them up. Affirmations, you have all type of affirmations depending on what you're trying to manifest. If you're trying to manifest money, you have money affirmations. If you're trying to manifest a healthy friendship, relationship, if you want a new business deal, if you want anything you want, they have affirmations for. Or you can make up your own affirmations. Affirmations are only repeated phrases that are listened to by your subconscious, by your conscious and your subconscious. It reprograms your subconscious and it helps you think better. The more positive videos you watch, the more positive things you listen to, it reprograms your subconscious. So with that being said, everybody needs to reprogram their subconscious. You have to make yourself more aware. The number one thing in life to me is being aware. If you are aware of something, you know which way to move. That's anything. If you are aware of something, you know which direction you need to go to avoid or to get to wherever you're going, because you're aware of it now. The number one thing in life is awareness. Remember that. And to start these affirmations, all you do is go on YouTube and type in money affirmations. I've been listening to one affirmation for 4 years now, and it's about money. And I've I think I've manifested almost everything in that video. And that's no lie. It's so easy for me to manifest things now. Like, it's almost crazy to me. Like, my faith is so high now that I know my dominoes are going to fall. This is how I got this store. This day I manifested this store. Believe it or not, you can ask my closest friends. I told them before this happened how it would happen and when it would happen. And it happened. It's all because of affirmations and positive thinking and believing in yourself and not giving up and having high faith. High faith. So you listen to them videos every morning. You listen to them videos every night. You write down your positive thoughts throughout the day. Get you a notebook with you. If you think of something positive, jot it down. Get you a vision board. I have a vision board in my closet. When I open my closet in the morning to put my clothes on, I read the vision board. I take deep breaths every time I read something. Take it in, visualize, go to the next. Take it in, visualize, go to the next. You make sure you feel it when you visualizing these things to bring them to life. That's called manifestation. I guarantee you, anything you visualize and feel, it comes to life. It starts bringing itself towards you. It's called energy. You put yourself on the same frequency as the whatever it is you're looking for, and that's how you put yourself on the same frequency. You get in tune with it. You get in line with it. What that means is affirmations, repeating affirmations and getting your subconscious aligned with whatever you're trying to get. And once you align yourself with it, it brings yourself, it starts to bring itself towards you in opportunities, in people, in chances. That's what God does for you. So that's another reason you have to jump at opportunities, because you never know what this opportunity can become. That's another reason why I tell people to jump at every opportunity they see fit. Because God is bringing opportunities to you because of something that you manifested. Guarantee this opportunity that comes towards you is because of something you manifested, something you visualized, something you felt one day. And you felt it so good that God said, I'm going to bring an opportunity his way. And if he want it, he going to grab it. If he don't want it, he going to watch it go past. So many people watch opportunities go right past, and all they do is think about it. They see an opportunity walking past, and they say, man, I can do something with that opportunity. If I get that opportunity, I can do this, I can do that, and I can make this amount of money, and I can do that. But they let the opportunity keep walking past. They don't jump at the opportunity or grab the opportunity or whatever analogy you want to use with it. You have to get at these opportunities. Even if that opportunity doesn't work, now you know because you jumped at that opportunity. For example, an opportunity that I have now with Shoe City. Shoe City is a big shoe company in the DMV area. For those who don't know about it, you might live outside the DMV area. But somebody sent me a picture to my DM. It had 6 likes. Say, email this email right here. Maybe you can get on the shelves of Shoe City. It had 6 likes. I said, man, it's not even real, but I'm going to try my hand. It was an opportunity. And guess what? I'm waiting for a check for Shoe City right now. Probably tomorrow I'm going to go pick up this check. And really, this business started in my mom's basement, and now I got $1 million company giving me checks to put my brand in their store. With that being said, that's what I wanted to touch on this week, guys, was high faith, was affirmations, was positive thinking, was awareness, which is the number one thing to me, awareness. Just staying on track, just aligning yourself with the source. You know, like, it means a lot. Like, if you have a business, even if you don't have a business, getting your mind strong is everything. Just like you go to the gym to get your muscles strong, your mind is a muscle. You have to get it strong too. You know, with that being said, man, thank you for joining me each and every week. each and every week. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you want to purchase some Icy and Tea Pearl, go to www.icyandteapearl.com. Follow us on Instagram at Icy and Tea Pearl. Always remember to keep a strong mind. And like I say every week, this info is worth a whole lot of money.